In this topic, we will look at the study of algorithms. There are four major areas of study of algorithms. The first is how do we devise or develop or design algorithms? The second is how to validate algorithms. The third is how to analyze algorithms. And the fourth is how to test a program. Developing or designing an algorithm is an art, which can be broken into several steps. The first step is to have a clear understanding of the problem that is to be solved. We need to identify what will be the input, what will be the output, is there any restrictions, and so on. The next step is to break the problem into subproblems which can be solved easily. The next step is to identify the data structures. That is, which data structure to use to store the input, or how will the output be stored, or which data structure will be used to store intermediate computations. So, devising or developing or designing an algorithm requires careful preparation and problem-solving logic. The next study of algorithm is how to validate algorithms. Once an algorithm is developed, it is necessary to check that the algorithm works. That is, the algorithm gives the correct results for the inputs. The purpose of validating an algorithm is to make sure that it works correctly independent of any programming language. That is, works when implemented using any programming language. The third study is how to analyze algorithms, or analysis of algorithms, or it is also called as performance analysis. When an algorithm is finally implemented using any programming language and executed on a computer, the algorithm uses CPU to perform operations and memory to store data. The analysis of algorithm means determining how much computing time and storage is required by an algorithm. Now, to solve any problem, we may have several solutions or algorithms. Therefore, this study or analysis of algorithm tells us which algorithm is better to solve a problem. The next study is how to test a program. Now, once an algorithm is developed and implemented as a program using any programming language, the program must be tested. This is where we actually give different inputs to the program and make sure the program gives the correct results. If the program gives the wrong results, then the bugs are identified and the algorithm and the program is fixed or changed to get the correct results. So these are the four main areas of study of algorithms. Now, as far as the subject of algorithms is concerned, we will be focusing on the design and analysis of algorithms. That is the first study of how to devise or develop or design algorithms, and the third study of how to analyze algorithms.